Hi guys, Vanessa here. So today we are doing our Valentine's Day look. As you notice on the title of this video, I know that our Valentine's Day plans are going to look a lot different this year with everything being closed, but we can still get glam on our Valentine's for our Valentine this Valentine's Day. I would also like to know in the comments down below, let me know where you guys are from. Say hi, let me know where you guys are from, and also let me know what is open in your area and what do your plans look like for Valentine's Day. I'm really interested, so drop a comment down below. So if you would like to learn how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So using the So Jaded palette by Colourpop, we are going in with the shade Garnet, and I'm going to be using this with a dense pointer crease brush, and this is just to outline my eye shape that I'm trying to achieve. I'm actually going a little bit above the crease and I'm just outlining my crease. I always want to encourage you guys, you definitely do not need to use these eyeshadow palettes. Of course, feel free to use anything you have in your collection. So here you'll see me in just a sec connect the outer portion of the eye. Here we're just trying to get our desired eye shape. Taking the Colourpop X Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette, we're using the shade Snow Globe. So this shade is going to be applied a little bit higher than the crease, and here we're just trying to diffuse the crease shade we just applied and just going in windshield wiper motions to get that diffused eyeshadow look. So here we're taking the shade Ice Skates in the eyeshadow palette and we're going a little bit lighter, a little bit higher. Again, just trying to get that diffused eyeshadow look and go in windshield wiper motions and just blend. Honestly guys, it's just a lot of back and forth between blending both shades, going back and forth. Next, taking the shade Igloo Blues, we're going with the outer corner of the eye, or outer portion of the eye rather, and we're just placing that on the very outer edge. Now I'm here thinking of what shade to place on the eyelid. We took the shade Winterful, and that's a peachy pinky like dimension reflect shadow, and I placed that on the center of the eyelid because we're going to go in with something else in the inner portion of the eye. I just took my finger and I placed it as I desired, and I have more control of where I want to place it, so that's why I went in with my finger. Now taking Artist Couture, this is like a shimmer reflect. I took the shade Gold Digger. I guess I forgot to show you guys on camera, but it's a nice champagne with maybe even a little bit of a yellow undertone. Really nice shimmer shade reflect. So I brightened things up with my inner corner with that Gold Digger shade by Artist Couture. It does kind of have fallout, so what I did is I grabbed a fluffy brush and I just wiped it away and it came right off. So I figured I needed something else was missing, so I went in with a Hello Kitty palette, and I used the shade Snow here, and it's the purpley shade you see me placing here, and I almost used it like a eyeliner just to deepen things up, and it kind of gave me more of a purple eyeshadow look, so I did enjoy that. I feel like it was missing something. So applying that along the lash line and bringing it out, I'm applying it like midway of the lash line and bringing it out. It just adds more depth and dimension. Just a tip there, in case you feel like you're missing something, it can add more depth to the eye look. So I like doing that. So taking the shade Snow Globe, I'm just using a big fluffy brush just to diffuse any harsh lines I may have created. Next, I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. It's a magnetic lash liner, so I'm going to line my lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay, hard part is over. Did the eyeliner. Now we're going in with the Ardell Wispies. I will list them also down below for you guys. So I'm going to apply those and also be right back. So to buff out the lower lash line, I took a combination of two shades. I took Snow Globe and Ice Skates and just buffed those along the lash line. So taking a Milani lip liner and also a L'Oreal lip stain. This is a nice deep nude drugstore duo. I'll list both products down below, but definitely top favorites. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed following along with me doing my Valentine's Day glam makeup today. So yeah, that is it for me. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today, and please drop a comment down below and let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.